Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 5 challenge, let's take up our 6th challenge now, which is create a code for a renewal contract. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our app launcher and click on Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. And now in global search, I'm just going to search for Klein. So once if you get the result of Klein Manor, just click on this and click on related tab. So here if you scroll down, you will find contracts. So there is a blue color eyelet over here on number, just click on it and now click on edit. So here if you scroll down, you will find renewal quoted checkbox, so which is right over here. Just check this and click on save. So now click on related tab again. So here if you scroll down, under renewal opportunity, you will find this home security renewal. Just click on it and here in the quotes related list, you will find the quote number. Just click on this quote number followed by edit lines. So here you can see only subscription line item appears in the code. So since there is no reason to show the oddware from the original sale, just click on cancel. So this is all about this challenge. Let's go back and scroll down, click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all of these challenges. Now if you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.